New pence coin features the image of Queen Elizabeth Coin on the obverse side and a heraldic lion on the reverse side. The lion represents the royal arms of England, making it a symbol of the monarchy. Now, what's fascinating about this coin is its value. In terms of numismatic value, these 10 new pence 1969 coins can vary greatly depending on their condition, but as a general estimate, you can expect to find them valued at around PS2 to PS5 in circulated condition. The obverse of the coin shows the crowned and draped young bust of Queen Elizabeth, E facing right, I facing right effigy known as the second portrait by Arnold Mushing. The Queen wears the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland diamond tiara, a wedding gift from Queen Mary Her Majesty's grandmother in 1947, which she also has on the rank broadly and the Gottwald portraits. Surround the monarch's legend and the date of issue. Elizabeth IDDGDE, GE Reg C LVA69, translated from Latin. Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith 1969. The original design by Christopher Ironside features a part of the crest of England, a lion passant gardant royally crowned here. A crowned walking lion to left, facing. The numeral value 10 is below the lion and the denomination in magnifying glass, and let's get started. Here it is, the star of our show, the 2009 10 pence coin. Let's begin by taking a closer look at its diameter. Measuring in at 24.5 millimeters, the 2009 10 pence coin has a distinct size that sets it apart. This diameter is standard for 10 pence coins, making it easily distinguishable in your collection. Now, let's move on to the value. Many collectors wonder about the value of their coins, and the 2009 10 pence is no exception. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, the value of this coin in circulated condition ranges from 50 pence to £1. However, keep in mind that coin values can fluctuate based on factors like rarity and demand. Now that we've covered the basics, let's uncover the historical context behind the 2009 10 pence coin. In 2009, the Royal Mint released a series of coins featuring various designs representing the United Kingdom. The 10 pence coin from this series showcases the iconic shield of the royal arms. This shield is divided into 4 quarters, each representing a different part of the United Kingdom: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Take a look at this intricate design. It's a beautiful representation of the unity and diversity within the United Kingdom. The 2009 10 pence coin serves not only as a piece of currency, but also as a symbol of For collectors, the 2009 10 pence coin is a must-have. Its unique design and historical significance make it a sought-after piece in many numismatic circles. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your coin journey, adding this coin to your collection is a fantastic choice. And there you have it, the 2009 10 pence coin, exploring its diameter, value and history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more coin-related content, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any additional information you have about this fascinating coin. Until next time, happy collecting!